We are in San Diego and we're gonna check out the San Diego Zoo. We wanna recreate the first ever YouTube video here and also see some of the amazing animals. So let's go. Welcome to the famous San Diego Zoo. Opened in 1916, this zoo is known for its huge, cage-free spaces that look like the animal's natural habitat. It's home to over 4,000 animals from more than 650 species, spread out over 100 acres. Join us as we tour the zoo and try to remake the first ever YouTube video. Hope you're ready for a fun adventure at San Diego Zoo. Welcome back, Crackers. We have Carl here. If you're not familiar with the channel, we're a family travel vlog. We love to go to local spots, tourist attractions, and weird and wacky places.
Hello, there's 3 of us.
Thank you. And we're good to go.
The Roar store.
Here's some meerkats.
He's like, the one's laying on his back. You see him?
Yeah, I think he's getting a suntan.
Oh, like that? Yeah, they're cool.
All right, let's do the bus tour to get a lay of the land. I've been here since I was like Rosalie's age. How about you guys?
I've never been here, so.
And this is the first time Rosalie's been here too. We were in Universal all day yesterday, so our feet kind of hurt. So
I'm tired.
What happened to your bottom tooth there? Fell out?
Yeah.
How's another one coming out? Oh man, that's pretty big. The line for the guided tour might look long, but it does move quickly. This 35-minute tour on this double-decker bus is included with your admission. It starts near the zoo's entrance and provides a comprehensive overview of the entire area. In my opinion, the right side has a better view than the left side. This bus ride is a fantastic way to learn about the animals and see the whole zoo without walking, and of course, rest your feet for a little bit. There's also other complimentary rides available here. One is the Skyfari aerial tram that lets you travel from one side of the zoo to the other. There's also the kangaroo bus that lets you hop on and hop off at different stops, but probably not a good idea to stand between the buses when they're driving. Alright, great, we found the elephants. Alright, time to head down over here and recreate this video.
Alright, so here we are, one of the elephants. Cool thing about these guys is that they have really long fronts, and that's cool. And that's pretty much all there is to say.
Since this is the epicenter of the first YouTube video, we wanted to share a little bit about our channel. Here's something I don't think I ever told anybody on this channel. Even though we've had this channel for like about 5 years, posting every week, when you hear Santos Chronicles, it comes from that SNL digital short, The Chronicles of Narnia. So I always found that one of the funniest, if I were the first viral YouTube videos, and that's why they're called Santos Chronicles.
Oh, there's the capybaras.
Oh, is that what you wanted to
That's
see?
what Rosalie wanted to see. Look at the little baby one.
So how did you guys end up wanting to see this?
Miss Maddie, her aftercare teacher, they were looking at the website for the San Diego Zoo.
Yep.
And they saw that there were capybaras here, and Rosalie wanted to see the capybaras.
The one thing that's really cool is like how they have the different area, and it's very spacious here as you walk around, and you look like you're part of the environment. So like here, you feel like you're in the middle of Africa. And I would know. I lived there when I was 4. So the first video we ever posted was 9 years ago.
Oh my God.
And that was Melissa in the Bean Boozled challenge. So if you ever go to the tab and click oldest, that's what you'll see.
It's pretty gross.
Just swallow it.
Trying.
That's funny. Oh yeah, Bamboozle challenge. So our mission is to go here to African Rocks and the Elephant Odyssey.
And Carl wants to see the baboons so badly.
Nope.
After your incident of getting chased by one when you were 4.
So those baboons are like little thieves. When we were at Yankari in Africa, they would run around and steal all the food of the people that was like there. And that's why he tried to chase me with my sandwich. Oh man, those guys, they're brutal. They look a lot cuter here at the zoo.
Not when they're up in your face trying to catch you.
Nope. Oh man. Hello. Uh-oh, he knows I don't like monkeys. Oh, what is he doing?
Look at that. 12,000 years ago, this is what it looks like. They're woolly mammoths. With the ground sloth, a bird, and capybaras.
You've seen our logo before, right? It's all over like our merch. So our logo basically represents our family, right? The car is for the traveling. We do travel a lot by car, sometimes by plane, and we try to record our adventures. So in there you'll see myself, my wife Melissa, our oldest daughter Addison, and little Rosalie. There's also a dog there, which was originally Flash, but he passed away about a couple of years ago, and now we have Falcor. So the dog represents Falcor. And the car itself, you know, I'm not sure if you know, but I am Filipino, and there's something called a jeepney. So it's like a taxi that they do in the Philippines, and the car is basically a compressed jeepney, and that's why it looks a little bit different, and that's what the logo is all about. This is where I give the camera to Melissa. I am not hanging out with all these birds. I've seen birds from Alfred Hitchcock.
What do you see, Rosalie? Look at the kind of bird they are. We've got two different kinds in here. White-fronted bee eater and white-throated bee eater. They dwell in cliffs, in little holes. See how they're going in there?
While we were here, we saw so many different animals, from the super tall giraffes to the short and very cute penguins. But our main thing we wanted to see was these elephants. These elephants were so huge, up and close and personal, and it made me a little bit nervous as I tried to recreate John's first video. I messed up several times, but I think I got it. All right, so here we are in front of the elephants. The cool thing about these guys is that they have really, really, really long trunks. That's cool. And that's pretty much all there is to say. So that's pretty much a homage to the originator, the first YouTuber, the first post by John. All right, guys, that was pretty fun. We got through about 1/3 after 4 hours of being here. It was worth it. We're kind of tired. Melissa did run the half marathon, did some Universal and SeaWorld also. But we're gonna have to come back here again. Click the video link right here if you want to learn more about Super Nintendo World.